One small tip here is when you're changing your text direction, note that the alignment also changed the vertical. Even if I go to the Home tab and the paragraph section, now we have alignment vertically. Even our bullets and numbering changed and indentation. So keep in your mind. Note that if I go to layout and the fit, if I set something like, let's say fixed column width, and start typing and increasing the content, you see the column width it is fixed and start breaking your content. But we have more options for that. If I right click on my cell and go to the table properties, or on the layout tab properties, make sure you're on the cell tab. We have the preferred size, which it is the minimum. I could click on the options button, and now we have on the options wrap text and fit text. Wrap text was enabled, therefore my contents start breaking and going to the next line. If I click on the fit text and OK, you see my content start condensing and smaller. If I remove my text, you see getting larger and larger. Allow me to actually copy this text and bring it here. And doesn't matter actually about the adjustments or so. It is starting to try to wrap it and fit. If I make it larger, it is visible, and make it height of my rows larger, but doesn't matter, it won't affect the column width. Even start typing, you see, getting condensed. So you have several options for that. You could set the auto size of your column width. You could wrap your text into the multiple lines. Allow me to go again to show you. Options, disable the fit text and wrap. OK and OK. And if I start typing and increasing contents, it is gonna increase the height of my row. Or, as I mentioned before, you could set column width based on your content. If I right click and go to the table properties and options again, it's still wrap, it is enabled, but because trying to auto fit, so it will increase my column width. But if I increase too much text, when there is no space more inside of this page, it starts wrapping and making a new line.